How to send bulk texts and emails to groups on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, scroll down and click on Groups. After click on Groups, click on Group and click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon and here showing you delete group, send message and send email. If you want to send message, click on message. If you want to send email, click on send email. After click on send message and you will see keyboard is open and keyboard is showing on your screen. So enter your message. After enter your message and send message. After send message, go back to home screen. So that's how you can send bulk text and emails to groups on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.